Unlocking YouTube Success 10 Proven Strategies to Skyrocket Your Views. Hey there, fellow YouTubers. Are you tired of uploading incredible content, only to see your view count stagnant? Well, fret no more. In today's video, we're going to reveal the top 10 proven strategies to help you get more views on YouTube. So grab your notepads and let's dive right in. Strategy 1: The Power of Thumbnails. Did you know that an eye-catching thumbnail can make or break your video's success? We'll show you how to create captivating thumbnails that grab attention, entice clicks, and increase your view count. Here are some key points. Select a compelling image. Use bold and legible text with contrasting colors. Incorporate branding elements. Keep it simple with one main element. Choose vibrant colors for visual appeal. Add visual cues like arrows or circles. Maintain consistency in visual style. Test and iterate to improve based on viewer engagement. Strategy 2: Mastering Titles and SEO. Your video's title and SEO, search engine optimization, play a crucial role in driving views. We'll reveal the secrets to crafting click-worthy titles and optimizing your video's metadata, so you can climb to the top of YouTube's search results. Here are some key points. Research keywords trends. Focus on relevancy and clarity. Incorporate keywords strategically. Keep titles concise and engaging. Test and analyze. Utilize metadata effectively. Study your competition. Stay updated with SEO best practices. Experiment and adapt. Strategy 3: The Magic of Collaborations. Collaborating with other YouTubers is a game changer. We'll guide you through the process of finding the right collaborators, creating engaging content together, and leveraging each other's audiences to boost your view count. Here are some key points. Identify potential collaborators. Reach out with a personalized message. Be clear about the collaboration idea. Showcase your value. Provide flexible options, discuss logistics. Cross-promote and leverage audiences. Respect each other's branding and content guidelines. Collaborate genuinely and enjoy the process. Strategy 4: Riding the Trends. Stay ahead of the game by riding the wave of YouTube trends. We'll show you how to identify trending topics. Incorporate them into your content, and ride the wave of views that come with it. Here are some key points. Utilize social media platforms. Explore YouTube trends. Use Google Trends. Follow news websites and blogs. Monitor social media discussions. Join online communities and forums. Follow influencers and thought leaders. Conduct keyword research. Strategy 5: Crafting engaging intros. A captivating intro is the key to hooking your audience and keeping them glued to your video. We'll share expert techniques to create attention-grabbing intros that make viewers stay till the end, boosting your overall watch time. Here are some key points. Grab attention quickly. Keep it concise. Showcase your personality. Use engaging visuals. Include a compelling audio track. Highlight the value. Branding elements. Experiment and iterate. Strategy 6: The Art of Effective Storytelling. Humans love stories. We'll teach you how to leverage the power of storytelling to create compelling narratives that resonate with your audience, captivate their attention, and ultimately increase your views. Here are some key points. Define your purpose. Identify your target audience. Develop a central theme. Create compelling characters. Outline the story structure. Use storytelling techniques. Maintain a narrative flow. Include dialogue. Strategy 7: Cross-promotion on social media. Promoting your videos beyond YouTube is crucial. We'll explore the power of social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, and how to effectively cross-promote your content to reach a wider audience and generate more views. Here are some key points. Identify compatible channels. Establish a collaboration plan. Content sharing. Collaborative content creation. Cross-platform promotion. Giveaways and contests. Guest appearances. Track and analyze results. Strategy 8: Engaging with your viewers. Building a loyal community is essential for long-term success. We'll dive into the importance of engaging with your viewers through comments, live chats, and social media interactions, creating a strong bond that keeps them coming back for more. Here are some key points. Respond to comments. Ask for feedback. Conduct polls and surveys. Host QA sessions. Run contests and giveaways. Go live. Show appreciation. Feature viewer-generated content. Strategy 9. Optimizing video length and structure. Did you know that video length and structure impact viewer retention? We'll reveal the optimal video length for different types of content and show you how to structure your videos for maximum engagement, leading to increased views and watch time. Here are some key points. Prioritize quality over length. Break content into segments. Use storytelling techniques. Pace your content. Include visual variety. End with a strong conclusion. Analyze viewer behavior. Be concise and focused. Strategy 10. YouTube ads and promotion. When done right, YouTube ads and promotions can give your channel a massive boost. We'll walk you through the ins and outs of YouTube ads, sponsored content, and collaborations with brands, helping you generate more views and monetize your channel. Here are some key points. Set up a Google Ads account. Define your campaign goals. Target your audience. Choose the right ad format. Craft compelling ad content. Set your budget and bid strategy. Monitor and optimize your campaigns. Test different ad variations. Track and analyze results. Refine your approach. And there you have it, our top 10 strategies to unlock the full potential of your YouTube channel and get those views pouring in. Remember, success takes time, dedication, and experimentation. So, go out there, implement these strategies, and watch your channel flourish. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and let us know in the comments which strategy you're most excited to try. Until next time, keep creating and keep growing. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to share it with your fellow content creators. And as always, stay tuned for more tips, tricks, and insider secrets right here on our channel. See you soon.